Oh, it's all about the temperatures for the start of the year, isn't it, Ben? I'm sure you've seen in the forecast and the story in the news about the lack of snow across the Alps, about cherry blossom in the north arriving a few months earlier than it should do. And you can just see how widespread the above average temperatures, anywhere with the russet tones, temperatures way above where they should be. And not just by day, also through the night. Take a look at us first thing this morning. The first column, well, that's where temperatures were first thing this Wednesday morning. The second column, the average overnight low. So you can just see how incredibly mild it was first thing this morning. And that mild air is going to stay with us for the remainder of the day. It's not as wet either as yesterday. There is still some rain around across southern Scotland, Northern Ireland in particular, and western fringes seeing a few showers too. We might see the cloud across Channel Coast sticking up for a little bit of drizzle. So the best of any brightness is a bit of a messy story in sheltered eastern areas. There could be some brief glimpses of sunshine if you're lucky. It's a blustery afternoon, whether you've got sunshine, cloud or light patchy rain, with gusts of winds widely 30, possibly 40 miles an hour inland as well. So temperatures will probably peak at around 15 degrees. Not too surprising when you saw that temperatures first thing this morning were around 12 or 13. Now overnight tonight, however, that cloud and rain, well, that will tend to fizzle away and we will see some clearer skies. So that is going to allow those temperatures to fall into single figures, but still that's a pretty mild night to follow. Perhaps the exception, the far northeast of Scotland. And it's eastern areas that will start off bright with some sunshine. It's not going to last, clouding over quite quickly as we go through the afternoon. Yet more wet and windy weather set to arrive through the second half of Thursday through Northern Ireland, western fringes of Scotland. Top temperatures 9 to 13 degrees the high. That low is going to push through at quite a pace and we'll see some gale force gusts of wind 60, possibly 70 miles an hour. Severe gales not out of the question for a time as it takes its rain over towards Scandinavia first thing on Friday morning. Friday likely to be the best day of the week in terms of drier, brighter and sunnier weather. If you can make the most of it, top temperatures are likely to peak at around 12 degrees, but then into the weekend, it's all about low pressure, I'm afraid. Yet more wet and windy weather is set to return. So there'll be showers, longer spells of rain. The winds still come from the southwest, staying mild. Ben.